decide to
Yeah.
go with EXP Realty?
Right. So that's a pretty interesting story on itself. And I was actually just I was just telling our team, that story just now. But so one of the things I did in the beginning was that I didn't really know. So in the US, as a salesperson, we have to join under a brokerage. We have to work under a company as a salesperson. And then one of the things that I wanted to do was I wanted to work with an investor friendly or an investing focused kind of brokerage as well. So brokerages that at least encourage their agents, or don't, at the very least, they don't prevent their agents from making their own deals, essentially, is what I wanted to do. And I went on this online forum called Bigger Pockets. So,
Yeah, I'm familiar.
excuse me.
We have a
Yeah, you
vlog.
familiar with Bigger Pockets?
We have a
Yeah, they
vlog as
do.
well.
Yeah, so Bigger Pockets, one of the very popular real estate forums online. And then I went on there and I just typed a little message, a little kind of like a comment. I was just asking for some help. I was like, hey guys, if you guys know of any real estate brokerages that are very investor friendly, that's what I'm looking for. And I just put that message out there into the universe for people to look at. And then somebody reached out to me. It was very nice. He told me that a little bit more about his experience, which is, the very similar as mine. He has a little bit more experience than I do, especially on the investing side. And he was just, very helpful in the beginning. Didn't talk too much about EXP. But, later on, he just asked me, if you're willing to take a look at this brokerage model, I think is very helpful for you. So I did. I took a look at the company and it just made a lot of sense, right? So as from my perspective as an investor, EXP Realty was able to offer, me and every other agent who's with them something that no other brokerage, at least, in the US, what it did at the time, which is 3 ways of running income. And then 2 of those ways are wealth building income streams. So we offer agents at the time, or right now we offer agents 3 different ways to earn income. One, obviously through sales from real estate sales. And then the second one is equity through stock ownership. So every agent at the company is actually an owner of the company. And that, actually was very appealing to me because that was one of the ways that, I thought, hey, I made a sale in real estate, I can actually own a piece of the company. So that's actually paying me in assets versus just cash that I would spend or save or whatever. So
So
it was actually
it's a publicly listed company.
yes, it's publicly traded on NASDAQ, on the NASDAQ exchange. Um, yeah, and the agents are the stock owners of the company as well. So we get shares of the company for, just doing agent things, selling houses, essentially, closing transactions. So those are the 2 that really jumped out. And then the third one is, there's those 2 got me to join the company. And the third one got me to stay, which is our revenue sharing team building model, which has been revolutionary. It has been my main focus for the past 2 years. And, just for, as an example, it has allowed me, somebody who's no experience in real estate, to be able to build a team of now 30 agents in 12 different states and actually out of the country as well, which has been an absolutely fantastic experience for me. And I'm looking forward to growing that as well.
That's amazing. Like being just 2 years in, you've already built a team of 30 agents.
Yeah, I know it's hard to believe even for me. But yeah, no, it's a little bit different because I never thought I would be doing this. I always thought, maybe I would be building a team in real estate. I always thought that was an interesting kind of brokerage model, maybe be a broker owner even. But no, it was just it's such an opportunity for me, for everybody, really, to kind of take advantage of it because there's really no experience, or I would say no capital expenses involved in it, because there's very little risk for me to go out there and do what I do. And it achieves the same thing that I wanted to, which is perfect for me because it's residual income. And that was my goal from the beginning as well, was to earn residual income through real estate. So yeah, thank you. I'm very excited about it as well.